Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about 3 things that smart investors know about NIO stock. Now of course there's a lot more to know about NIO stock, but these are 3 things that for sure smart investors know about NIO stock. So let's get right into it. The first thing is that NIO is the best-selling luxury EV in China, and China, as you know, is the largest EV market in the world. So, according to management, NIO was the best-selling brand in China's premium EV market, priced over RMB 300,000 with a market share of 54.8%. While the market share in the premium EV market priced over RMB 400,000 reached 75.8%. So as you go into the more luxury end of the market, NIO gains more market share. So the affluent buyers in the Chinese EV market are attracted to NIO's vehicles. That's great news. That's something that NIO stock investors certainly know about and are certainly counting on if they're investing in NIO stock for the long term. The second thing that NIO stock investors know about is the company is planning to be break even by 2024. Here's a quote I pulled from CEO William Lee on March 1st, 2023. He said, "The overall target for the company is that for the group, we will aim to achieve break even for the company in 2024. That's just a little over 1 year away. Now, when they say 2024, they give themselves enough time. They can do that by the fourth quarter of 2024. So they give themselves enough time all the way till the end of 2024 to actually achieve that break even quarter. And that would be a huge milestone, because look at this. NIO's net income for the trailing 12 months as of the most recent update was $2.129 billion, and their net profitability is going in the wrong direction. So how are they going to turn this around and become net profitable by Q4 2024? Seems like a very big lift, and I don't know how likely this will be. I don't know the likelihood of this happening, or if NIO is going to do another one of the moves that so many EV companies have done, which is make these ambitious forecasts, ambitious projections, and then when it comes time, they extend those projections and extend those forecasts and say, oh, you know what, we really tried for 2024, but you know what, we're going to move it out to 2025. So this remains to be seen. This is something that I will certainly be watching out for, but investors in NIO stock are definitely looking at this statement and saying, okay, CEO, we're going to hold you accountable to this, and we want to see progress towards this metric. We're going to be watching, we're going to be paying close attention. So you better make progress on this metric. Finally, the third thing that smart investors definitely know about NIO stock is its relatively cheap valuation. Here I have pulled up several EV company stocks. I have NIO, Tesla, Lucid, Rivian, XPeng, and Li Auto. All of these I have also their price to sales ratio here on the right hand side, and as you can see in the purple, NIO, the price to sales ratio of 2.096 is the cheapest among all of these EV companies. XPeng at 2.6, Li Auto at 3.4, the Chinese competitors, and then you have the other competitors, 7.5 for Rivian, 8.3 for Tesla, and 22.71 for the Saudi-backed Lucid Group. So if you're looking at investing in an EV car company, looking at the valuation in terms of the price to sales ratio, NIO is the cheapest one of these relative group of EV stocks. So smart investors certainly know that NIO is the cheapest option if you're looking at the price to sales ratio, if you want to invest in the long-term growth of the electric vehicle industry, which is undoubtedly going to grow over the next decade, maybe even over the next 2 decades, as governments worldwide are trying to encourage more consumers to buy electric vehicles. So this is something that is going to grow, and if you want to invest in that growth, you have a choice of companies you can pick from, and among those choices, NIO is the cheapest among those. So I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now. So these are 3 things that smart investors definitely know about NIO stock. Now there's a lot more to know, and I've got a lot more videos on NIO and I've picked a few of them that I think you'll like that are popping up on your screen right now. So please click on one of those if you want to learn more about NIO stock. Thank you for watching.